Committee on Tax Reforms set up by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu is to enhance revenue collection efficiency and ensure transparent reporting. First was the signing of the 4 executive orders and suspension on the 5% excise tax on telecommunication services and the excise duties escalation on locally manufactured vehicles. This is to promote the effective utilization of tax and other revenues to foster a healthy tax culture and drive voluntary compliance. 4 tax reform bills were presented to the National Assembly by the Executive for consideration. The bills are Nigerian Tax Bill 2024, which aims to establish a comprehensive fiscal framework for tax regulation. The Tax Administration Bill to provide a clear and summarizing legal structure for managing taxes in Nigeria to reduce dispute and enhance efficiency. The Nigerian Revenue Service Establishment Bill is intended to repeal the Federal Inland Revenue Service Act and create the Nigeria Revenue Service, and the Joint Revenue Board Establishment Bill proposes the creation of tax tribunal and a tax ombudsman to address tax-related matters. The importance of these bills is for effective tax system for economic development.
The laws that we have proposed before the National Assembly are very simple to operate, very simple. You can sit down and determine what is your own tax at all. And if somebody wants to cheat you, you can say, no, I can compute it by myself. These are some of the immense benefits that we have there, apart from the fact that we are also promoting ease of doing business. And that is why we are condensing all the different taxes into very few ones. Currently, according to surveys, we have over 60, 70 different types of taxes across Nigeria. Now, what this law has proposed is to reduce that to less than 10, and which I also believe is going to help to promote businesses. You can move goods and services from one place to another without any hindrance or fear of overtaxation.
The tax reform bills proposed have ignited debate. There has been unending controversy in the introduction of the tax reform bills from stakeholders and lawmakers. While these bills seek to modernize Nigeria's outdated tax laws, for some, the reform would restructure the tax net and eliminate double taxation, among others. Those against it believe the reform would stifle some businesses and state government revenue stream. What measures can be put in place to prevent revenue leakages and ensure accurate VAT collection?
So we are trying to increase tax revenue without increasing the tax burden on anyone. The poorest people will find significant reduction in their tax burden. Middle class, a little bit less reduction. Even the upper class and companies, large and small, we see a reduction in their tax burden.
Generated revenue is not a function of development anywhere in the world. So therefore, the efficient use of revenue is the financial for development.
It is hoped that the resolution of the tax reform bill's controversy will require various factors, including the present economic realities, social equity, political will, and collaborative approach that prioritizes the long-term interests of sustainable national development.